MEGAWHEELS S5 electric scooter, 13 miles long-range battery, up to 15.5 MPH 8.5. Long-range battery life. A powerful 250W motor propels the electric scooter to a max speed of 15.5 mph. Ultra-high capacity 5800 mAh LG lithium battery can support a maximum commuting range up to 13.6 miles. 5 LED battery indicators on the dashboard indicate remaining battery capacity. Portable folding design made of aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, higher strength, lighter weight, weighs only 27.5 pounds, max load 264 pounds, which can be quickly folded and released within 3 seconds. Wherever you are, you can easily carry and store it. 8.5 pneumatic tires with advanced 8.5 shock-absorbing and anti-slip pneumatic tires to make your ride more comfortable and safe. Equipped with a mechanical disc braking on the rear wheel and of electronic braking on the front wheel to ensure braking systems safer. Intelligent and humanized design features 2 speed modes, the first mode for 11 mph slow speed and the second mode to get a 15.5 mph fast speed, equipped with ultra-bright LED headlights for night riding and red taillight to warn pedestrians and vehicles behind. MEGAWHEELS values and belief. We believe that only quality products are able to make customers feel joyful while using them. MEGAWHEELS has a professional technical support team to 7x24 standby for customer service. Your satisfaction is our priority target. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.